Hey guys, this is Aruj,
And this is Sadaf.
and today we're discussing the differences between distance and displacement. So, distance is the total length of the path you take.
Whereas displacement is the change in the position from final to initial.
Alright guys, so we're going to talk about distance. So for example, Miss Glover is trying to go to her doctor's appointment from Stratford to the hospital. So the dashed line says that this is the total length she needs to travel in order to go to the hospital. So this will be her total distance. Alright guys, for displacement, since Miss Glover only went into one direction, which was positive, her displacement is going to be the same as her distance. But if she decides to go back to Stratford, her displacement would be 0 because she went in the opposite direction. So now that we're done with our example, we're going to do some differences. Number one difference is that distance is a scalar quantity, whereas displacement is a vector quantity, because distance does only have magnitude, whereas displacement has magnitude and direction. Another difference is that displacement is always less than or equal to distance.
So, how do we solve distance and displacement problems? We're gonna show you with two simple steps. First, sketch the vectors to visualize the problem. Then, solve for net y and net x distance and displacement.
Alright guys, so now we're going to be doing an example where Sadaf is in a boat in the ocean, whereas I am standing on the seashore waiting for her. Sadaf's starting point is 0 meters, and I am 10 meters away from her. So in order for us to meet, she needs to travel 10 meters, and that will be her initial distance. And as you can see in the bottom, she has traveled her 10 meters distance. So bad news guys, Sadaf has moved 2 meters away because of the weather.
Everybody loves the things you do.
Now we will be finding the distance by calculating the total length that I have traveled through my journey. Since I first traveled 10 meters and then moved back 2 meters, my total distance traveled will be 12 meters total. But my displacement will be different because displacement is a vector quantity. I first moved 10 meters in positive direction, but then moved 2 meters in negative direction. Thus, the displacement will be 10 minus 2, which will be 8 meters in positive direction. Remember,
Distance is the total length traveled horizontally and vertically.
however, displacement is simply the change in position. Thank you for watching, guys.
And good luck!